welcome to my yet another video for my crochet basics series. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a treble crochet. So if you're new here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to show you how to make a treble crochet. For that I'm using a 6mm hook and a scrap yarn which I already have. So this is a cotton yarn. You can use whatever yarn is written in your pattern, and the hook size will also be recommended in the pattern. So let me go ahead and make a slip knot. So if you guys don't know how to make a slip knot, please go back and watch my previous videos on how to make a slip knot and how to make a foundation chain, and then please come back to see how to make a treble crochet. So that's my slip knot, and I have inserted my hook, as you guys can see. Now I will go ahead and make a foundation chain. So in my foundation chain I'm going to use 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So that is my foundation chain. I have kept my stitches quite loose so that you can see these stitches better. So that's my foundation chain. Now I'll go ahead and show you how to make a treble crochet. So for that, yarn over twice. Yarn over means sweep your yarn from back to front. So that is one yarn over and one more. So that's yarn over twice. And now go and place your hook into the 5th chain from the hook. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is the 5th chain. So I'll go ahead and I will insert my hook into that chain like this, and again pull your yarn over and pull your yarn through this chain, through the same chain. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. So now I'll go ahead and again I'll yarn over and pull my hook through the first 2 loops. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. Again yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops on my hook. Now again yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. So that is one treble crochet. Okay, let me show it one more time. Yarn over twice like this, and now insert your hook into the next chain. So what I'd suggest, just pull your yarn from the base like this so that you are able to see which is your next chain. So this is the one in which we made our first treble crochet, so I'll go ahead and make it in this chain. So insert your hook into this chain and then yarn over like this and take out your hook from the same chain. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. So go ahead and yarn over and pull through the first 2 chains. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 chains. Again yarn over and pull through the last 2 chains. So that is my second treble crochet. Let me show you a few more times. Yarn over twice. Now insert the hook into the next chain space there, and again yarn over and now pull your yarn through the same chain. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, again yarn over and pull through the last two. That is my third treble crochet. Let me show you one more time. Yarn over twice, and now insert your hook into the next chain space. Now yarn over and pull your yarn through the same chain. We have 3 loops on your hook, and yarn over, and now pull your yarn through the first 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Now again yarn over and pull your hook through the second 2 chains, and now again yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So that's my fourth treble crochet. Now go ahead and finish all the treble crochets in the foundation chain. So yeah, that is my treble crochet for my entire foundation chain. And now if you want to go ahead and do the same thing for the second row, then you have to chain 4 to go to the next row. So this chain 4 will work as our initial treble crochet, and also it will give us the same height as our next treble crochets which we are going to make. So again, after 4 chain, turn your work like this, and now yarn over twice and go to the next one, not the first one, because there we already have our 4 chains. So go to the next one and insert your hook there. Now again yarn over and pull your hook through the same chain. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, so yarn over, pull through the first 2, again yarn over, pull through the next 2, and lastly yarn over and pull through the last 2. That is our first treble crochet in our second row. So yeah, that's my second row of my treble crochets, and I hope you really like this video and this helps you. Thank you so much. So that's my husband making his first ever foundation chain. So what do you guys think? Is he doing it correctly? Let's see. That's his foundation chain, and he made it by himself. I did not help him at all.
Just watching Rumi's videos.
So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and so till next time, bye bye and happy crocheting.